What's up, guys? John's Tech Channel here. Today we're gonna do a little video that ain't usually done. This is in my new apartment or whatever. Sorry, it's so kind of hazy. I don't know why it's hazy. 1 second. I might have fixed it. I don't know. Anyways, today we have a little project going on here. All right. So I don't have a workshop anymore. So this is my room. It's kind of a disaster. But anyways, this is the PC you guys have probably seen before, or at least pictures of it maybe. Fully water cooled, CPU loop. Anyways, I haven't powered this on since I moved into this apartment, which has been like 6 months, I want to say. But I can't put a bigger graphics card, so I have a 3070 here. This is a Dell one. It won't fit in there. Even I'd have to redo the whole water loop, and I'm going to. I'm gonna sell the two graphics cards, 2016 3070. Probably buy a 3080 or a 40. I think this is a 3070, and that's 26. So probably a 4070 I'll probably buy, or something, some in the 40s, or maybe an AMD card. But I gotta redo the loop so it can fit. So I got a new case I'm gonna show you in a second. I got the Winter Village Lego set, you know, the yearly set you gotta get, you know. So this is my workbench. It's all I got for now. But this is the case. It's an NZXT. Couldn't tell you what it is. H510i. Okay, that's what this is. That's good. It's got tempered glass front panel there, or side panel there. You know, the very minimal airflow. My big deal is I want to see if my 360 rad will fit in here, because it dips down. So I can fit a 360 rad in here. I think this was only marketed as being able to fit a 240. But if my 360 will fit in here, that'd be awesome. And then I'm gonna, because I like these smaller cases. This is about the same size as the cases there. But I like this. And I almost want to, like, I have these two things in my closet that'll allow me to run a round reservoir. So I might mount it to like here or something like that from the behind. Maybe lower. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then, since this case was from a buddy, I don't feel bad modifying it. Looks like I came with RGB, or he put RGB in up here. I don't really know. That's kind of cool though. Yeah, I think he must put that because it looks like an RGB strip there. Anyways, I want to drill a hole in here somewhere and run a water line down there, so I can have the drain somewhere in here, probably wherever there's a spot that there's no hard drives or PSU. So I think tonight I'm not gonna do a video, but I'll show when it's done eventually, whether it's tonight or not, or whatever, how far I get tonight. See if I get the motherboard. I'm just gonna test fit everything, I guess, to be honest. Just swap the water cooler in, or the whole water system. I'm not gonna drain or anything. That just throw it in there, and then make sure just everything fits. See what I can do. Start get my my mind thinking a little bit, you know. And yeah, this. I might not even end up with this case. I wanted a white one, but this will work great. And if I get a white one, I would actually totally drill out the rivets and like have a black inside and a white outside. That's ideally what I want. This is like the front. The black front, not a big fan. I like the ones with the holes, so like if they're similar enough and all the swaps, I would love to do that and get a white one, put the black inside. That's the ideal thing. This actually was here, so you mount the rad, I think, to this technically somehow. Fans here, so I'm not sure. This is gonna involve some thinking and customizing, and there's not many pictures of this, so what I want to do. So yeah. What's up, guys? I'm back. Unfortunately, as I said before, I'm not in the basement anymore. I'm in the bedroom at my apartment. Just whatever. It just kind of makes it a pain to work on my PC. Anyways, this is the PC here. This is the new PC. This is NZXT H510. I got another one here. This is one I got from a buddy. Oh, I just smashed the glass. It's okay. But yeah, I was gonna use this one. This was they gave it to me. I don't remember why I swapped it. I think just because I wanted like white. I got a good deal on the white one over here. as you guys know, I water cool the other PC. So I'm gonna water cool this one. The 360 rad is not really gonna be of use. It will fit in here and go all the way down to the, like, touch the bottom of the case, which was originally the plan was to have the ports at the bottom, have the CPU go like that, and drill a hole in here, and have some things in the basement. On the other case, these are very similar cases, but they're not the same. This is the one that has the flat front. This is the one that's got the glass front. I don't know if they call it like the Elite or something like that. To the glass off so I could get stuff in there. And the pieces that these sit on, there's like this piece here. This is out of the black case. It's flat. It's awesome. I was able to put the 360 rad all the way down past this. This one is different. They're not compatible. This back tray on here is a little different. Not that this really matters to any of you guys. Just the fact that these are the issues I ran into. So I did have this the other way around. Decided to run at the top now. And it's just going to be a traditional loop, I think, right now. I was going to do hard lining. Unsure if I will do that. I think I'm going to do soft tubing for now until I decide what I want to do. This case isn't perfect for water cooling by any means, but that's like what I do. I've water cooled in a few cases that were terrible for water cooling. But yeah. At one point I was going to drill rivets out of these cases and swap like the main pieces, just because I mainly wanted the front, because I can get on Etsy or whatever a grill for the fronts of the glass. I swapped side panels because the black side panel has holes in them. The white one's flat, so a little more airflow on this really bad airflow case. So yeah, we'll see where we're at in a little bit. I'm gonna throw some components in here and mock up maybe some water lines or something. What's up, guys? Got some RAM for the build. This is the same stuff that's already in the system that I've used before. It is 16 gigs, so I will have 32 gigs of RAM when I put them in. I don't need 32 gigs of RAM. I mean, maybe I do. I don't know. I haven't used a PC in a while, but more so to just kind of fill out the system, and it'll look good with all the RGB. But yeah, this is the same stuff that's already in there. The 3600. I mean, I'm sure it's not as good as it used to be, but you know, whatever. Without upgrading the motherboard, I'm cool with this. And then I might upgrade the CPU. It's a 3600X right now. I was thinking maybe a 5600X, or I don't really want to get a 7 series. Like, it's expensive, even used. But I think I can get like a 5600X for like 125 maybe. So I might do that. Just to upgrade it while I'm in there. I don't know yet. Or I'll do that after I get the water cooling stuff. So I have one more part coming this week that's water cooling related. I'll show that off, and maybe I'll get that installed. But yeah. Got the RAM in. And I'm going to take the pump out. I actually put the 2060 in. It'll definitely be switched out for something better. But that's just like the size of like a water cooler card would be. Roughly there. Maybe a little further. But my 3060 is way too big. Anyways, this is gonna be a new water cooler. It's got like an LED strip down the middle, on the outside. So it's gonna go where that pump is, but down low. Like I'm gonna mount it to the bottom. Kind of how this is mounted, but it'll be way lower. So we're gonna see if it fits. I'm worried about the white piece back there now. So yeah, I'm gonna play with that. Hopefully it can fit in there. So yeah.